Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another Wrapunzel haul. I cannot believe it's been almost 3 years since my first Wrapunzel haul. Like, I was just looking at the video maybe like a week ago and I was like, oh my god, I cannot believe, like, I've been rocking with this company for almost 3 years. Oh my god. I love this company. It is a head wrapping company. Head wrapping literally is for everybody. I don't want anybody to ever feel like something is just for a certain type of person or a certain type of skin tone. Now when it comes to like beauty products, okay, yeah, some might be for, you know, a certain, there's criterias. But with head wrapping and fashion and stuff like that, like, have fun with it, you know what I mean? But also too, you know, like head wrapping and stuff like that is just a form of modesty as well. And it just like brings out like your inner queen, and it just makes me feel like regal, and so I don't know, it just brings out like this powerful side of me. I don't know, I've always felt that way, and I've always gravitated towards people who head wrapped. Like, I always was like, oh my god, they look so regal, like I want to look like that. So yeah, I'm gonna talk about some things that I got in a PR package from Wrapunzel. This video is sponsored by Wrapunzel. However, y'all already know that I love this brand. You see the pictures like all over my Facebook and my Instagram and stuff like that. I love them. So yeah, thank you Wrapunzel for this package, and I'm going to show you guys what I got, and then we'll do another video soon, probably next week, of head wrap tutorials and looks. Okay. So if you want to see what I got in my package, then just keep watching. The first thing that I'm going to talk about is this Volumizer. Now, a lot of people ask the question, how do I get like that big looking bun in the back? And this is how you get it. I mean, before I got this was years ago, I used to like stack scarves to try to make the bun look bigger. I just think this is genius, and they have different sizes, but this one is like huge. Like, I mean, I can't, like, it's big. Like, it's gonna give you huge bun in the back. And another thing that I like is it's like a no slip headband in the front. You guys can kind of see like the texture, like it's like this velvety material, so it's good for you, like your natural hair underneath, and then it doesn't slip, so your scarves won't slip, the actual volumizer won't slip off your head. That's the secret to getting the big bun in the back. Next, I want to talk about these accessories, just because I don't want to like forget about them. Wrapunzel just doesn't have scarves. They have scarves, they have headbands, they have head wraps, obviously, and jewelry. And they sent me 2 pairs of earrings, and you guys know my love for jewelry. So this is the first pair of earrings that they gave me. So cute, it's a little feathers. The pair is like this leather. It is like bendable, like it's like that, but it's so cute. Like, it has this really cool design. I was super stoked when I got these. It's like, hey mom, because I don't have a pair like this, and I feel like these are gonna look so cute with the scarves. Look how cute those are. They also sent me this really cute headband. It's like beaded. Like, you don't even have to wear a scarf with this if you don't want to. Like, remember when we used to like back in the day, like, I know I used to wear like a headband like this. I don't know. Now let's get into the scarves. Okay, so the first one I want to show you guys is like this layered scarf. I like these because like it'll go with whatever you have on. All you have to do is put on whatever color shirt, some cute little jeans, or a solid colored skirt, some cute shoes, the accessories, and you're done. Like, I love scarves like this because this right here is a statement piece, and I just think it's so cute. Like, I love how This one literally has every color. I wish I could like, I could never do those, but like it has like every color and it's so cute. The next one is another colorful one. Looks like this. And both of these are like thinner layered, and at the end of this one, these are cute too. It has like the little tassels, but they're colored too. See? It's super cute. Like I think this one is fun. And this one's one of those ones that can be used like year round. Like it has that pop of color, but then it also has like that navy color and a lot of the oranges, which, you know, are fall like. And this is their fall collection. So I am not sure exactly when these are going to be released, but I think it's going to be this month. Don't quote me, but I think it's going to be this month. Definitely check out their website and it should have all the information right there. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you guys the difference. So this one is a volumizer that's like a lot smaller. Like this is the one I got like a couple years ago. So I just want to show you like the size comparison. So I love like Pashmina scarves. Like they're a little bit thicker, and I don't know, I love like this paisley design, and the colors are awesome. Like I love this. Not gonna lie to you guys, I already wore it once. I will have a picture posted right here so you guys can see. And when I wore that scarf, within the first hour I had like 4 different people ask me like, where'd you get that scarf? I need that scarf. I think this was gonna be a popular one, you guys. Like I love this. I just love the colors. Like it, even though it has like that, you know, teal, it still screams fall to me. Like this looks like fall. I love it. This one's probably my favorite one out of the ones that they sent me, but they're all pretty. But I love this one so much. Next two I still have in the packaging because I'm gonna be doing a little giveaway soon. So I'm just gonna show you guys what they look like. Sorry for the noise. This one is another Pashmina scarf. It is like that same blue, but it does have like, you can kind of see like some of the paisley detail. It has those tassels too. More like fringe-like though. This will be cute with like some jeans, a cream colored sweater, or like black. Like, you know, you can really dress this up or down, girl. The last one is another scarf. It is on the thinner material like this one. Like the material is kind of see-through, it's thinner. So this is another one that's good year-round. Like you could wear this in the summer and you're not gonna feel like too hot. And it looks like this. So it has a gray, navy, pink. Oh yeah, it has baby blue. So you guys know how I am. I live for floral, and I just felt like if I had this in a giveaway too, that, you know what, it's really gonna scream like jazz, because I love floral. Probably on my next video I'm gonna have all the details when I do like one of the tutorials on one of the scarves. So I'll have the details on that next video, but just stay tuned. Check out Wrapunzel's YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. They do have all three. I'll have the links down below to all. I hope you loved this video and got excited like me. Yeah, thank you so much, Wrapunzel, and thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I don't have anything else to say. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.